Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1, 16th of March 2021 question. Question number 21. If a differential equation is given by dy dx is equal to 2x plus 1 and the area bounded by fx with x-axis is 4 root 8 by 3, then y1 is equal to what? So this is the question in the house of area bounded by the curve. Now, at first the given differential equation is dy by dx is equal to 2 into x plus 1. It's a memory based question, and now we plot the curve. So this is our x axis, and this is the parabola, and here is the parabola. So parabola here cut, the cutting point is alpha and beta. So now this is the line where parabola is touching. So this is the touching line, and this area is bounded with the parabola. So now we just join the line, and here it is, the points are, now it is A, B, C and D. So this is make a rectangle. So this one is x axis. So this area we should calculate. This is the required area. So now coming to solution. So dy dx is equal to 2 into x plus 1. So now here y is equal to x square plus 2x plus c. Here d greater than 0 always. So now 4 root 8 is the bounded area with the x-axis. So 4 root 8 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 into area of the rectangle. So now area of the rectangle is what? This is equal to 2 by 3 into AB cross AC. So now we should calculate the value of AB. As we don't know, AB is what? AB is equal to mod of alpha minus beta. So AB is equal to mod of alpha minus beta. That is equal to, we may write down mod of D divide root over of D divide mod of A. So A is equal to 1 here. So we know that is equal to root over of D. Now BC is equal to what? BC is equal to D by 4A. BC is equal to D by 4A. So 4A is equal to 1. Here we get A is equal to 1. So now from the equation we know A is equal to 1. So this is equal to D by 4. Now from the equation 4 root 8 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 into what is the value of AB? AB is equal to root over of D, and AC is equal to what? AC is equal this one is BC. This is BC. Area of the triangle is AB into BC. So this one is BC. So BC is equal to we know D by 4. So now we get if we cancel 3 and 3 and 2 and 2, then we get d root d is equal to d root d is equal to 8 root 8. Therefore, we easily say that d is equal to 8. So, if d is equal to 8, if d is equal to 8, then y is equal to x square plus 2x plus c. From this equation, we may write down 4 minus b square minus 4ac. D is equal to 8 means b square, that is 4 minus a into c, that is 4 into 1 into c is equal to 8 from this equation. So here we get 4c is equal to minus 4. Therefore, c is equal to minus 1. So c is equal to minus 1. So now we should calculate the value y1 is equal to what? So now y1 is equal to, from this equation y1 is equal to, we may write 1 plus, as value of 1 plus 2, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1, so 1 plus 2 and c is equal to minus 1. So 1 and minus 1 is cancelled out, so the value is equal to 2. So y1 is equal to 2. So we reached, this is our required solution. So this is the required solution of 21. Now we are moving toward the question 22. So question 22 is, if log half mod z plus 11 divide mod z minus 1 whole square greater or equal to 2, then find mod z minimum is equal to what? So this is the question in the house of logarithm, and it is a memory based question of JEE Main Shift 1, 16th of March 2021. So now the given condition is that the equation is given here, that is log of half 1 by root 2 is equal to mod log of base 1 by root 2 mod z plus 11 divide mod z minus 1 whole square is greater or equal to 2. So now let mod of z is equal to r. Therefore 0 less or equal to, sorry, less than, always less than, this one is greater than. So 0 less than r minus r plus 1 divide r minus 1 whole square less or equal to half. If we eliminated root, then this one become base. So this one become 1 by root 2. So this one must be positive. So if we calculate the value of r, so this and this equation we should solve. So here we get 2r plus 22 is equal to less or equal to r minus 1 whole square. So that implies 2r plus 22 less or equal to r square minus 2r plus 1. So now r square minus 4r minus 21 greater or equal to, sorry, now the sign is changes as we place in right side, so it is greater or equal to 0. Now it become r minus 7 into r plus 3 is greater or equal to 0. So this one is cancelled as because r is negative here, and so therefore r minus 7 is greater or equal to 0. Therefore r is greater or equal to 7. So now mod of z is greater or equal to 7. Therefore z mod z minimum is equal to 7. So we reached, this is our required solution. So So these are the two solutions. This is question 21 and question 22. So any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.